Hello, my name is Dwight Springthorpe, and I'm a PhD student at UC Berkeley in the Integrated Biology Department, advised by Professor Robert Full. We are specifically interested in how animals are able to accomplish different tasks, such as running and burrowing, with the same set of appendages, a capability we call multifunctionality. The ghost crab is a particularly multifunctional animal. These animals are simultaneously capable of capturing and manipulating prey, digging complex burrows in sandy environments, and running up to 4 meters per second, making them one of the fastest land invertebrates. By understanding how these crabs accommodate the different design parameters associated with running and burrowing, we can gain new insight into animal movement and potentially translate this knowledge into new technologies, like more versatile robots or better prosthetics. Studying ghost crab burrowing first requires a thorough description of the burrowing behavior. For this, we've developed new X-ray imaging techniques that allow us to study the ghost crabs as they dig their burrows in an artificial beach environment. First, we attach lead markers to their limbs and body, then we place them in a chamber filled with damp sand, and as they burrow, we record their movements with a fluoroscope. This technique allows us not only to trace the burrow's extension over time, but also lets us see the crab's position, orientation, and exactly which limbs are used for different aspects of burrowing. Overall, we've found that burrowing involves several different behaviors to collect and manipulate the substrate. These behaviors can be broadly divided into excavation mechanisms, which are used to extend the burrow, and manipulation behaviors, which are used to manipulate and transport collected material. The main excavation mechanism is a hook and pull. The crabs insert the tips of their legs, or dactyls, into the material and contract these dactyls sharply, loosening the material. Finally, they draw the loosened material towards their bodies by contracting their entire legs. The crabs can also use repeated small amplitude scratches, which we call scratch sticking, to loosen material. Unexpectedly, the crabs also roll forwards and backwards within their burrows, often while simultaneously employing some other excavation mechanism. Since we observe this behavior during horizontal and vertical burrowing, we believe it may be important to the general burrowing process. It may improve the burrow structure by compacting the walls and allow the crabs to control the burrowing direction. Once the crabs have finished excavating, they use several different behaviors to manipulate and transport collected material. Using the claws and front 2 walking legs on the down burrow side, the crabs make a basket which allows them to carry sand out of their burrows. Crabs can also pass collected material across their bodies. This is a highly coordinated movement that involves the body and almost every limb, all working within a confined environment. Once the crabs have passed material across their bodies, they can push it with their walking legs. We found that the crabs often compact the material within their burrow, forming a plug. Overall, burrowing represents a multifunctional behavioral suite that includes specialized postures, locomotion in confined environments, and goal-directed manipulation of the substrate. Our observations will enable a new series of experiments using both crabs and bio-inspired burrowing robots, which will further explore animal multifunctionality. Thank you for watching.